सोने में और बहुत कुछ होने में इतना सा फर्क है, एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में ये अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है, वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी, ये एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और सातवें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good evening to all the dear friends. We welcome all of you to our Bharat Franchise Show. Yes, we are back again with this great show, which we conducted in last phase for 3 months, where we covered almost 100, we covered 100 cities in 100 days. This particular webinar is hosted by Franchise India team, where our aim is to bring all the top brands for you, whether they are international, national, domestic brands, inviting the leadership team and the founding team of respective brands to digitally interact with you, talk about their business model. Today, we have invited 5 top companies which are looking out expansion in Delhi NCR. We are celebrating our Delhi show today under our Bharat Franchise Show. We request all of you to share your queries in question and answer box so that once we'll complete the particular presentation from brand side, we'll take your queries. With this introduction, it is my privilege to welcome all our guests, our brands who have joined us today. I also welcome and invite Mr. Prashant Bhandari, who is the Chief Operating Officer at Franchise India. He's hosting this particular webinar. He'll be there to help you with all the panel discussion as well as taking your queries. Thank you so much, Prashant, for joining us this evening for our Bharat Franchise Show. Over to you.
Thank you, Archana. Thank you, Archana, for introducing me to the investors and to the brand. Very good evening to all Delhi and NCR investors and brands. I welcome again all of you in Bharat Franchise Show India. Let me give you a little brief snapshot of what we do and what is our objective and what is Franchisee India. You know what we do across the nation and overseas also in some of the countries. So Franchisee India is Asia's largest integrated franchisee solution company, and we have been there since 1999, and we have absolutely franchising authority across India on franchising, licensing, retailing, and real estate. We have helped thousand and million of investors in selecting the right business opportunity, while assisting them, on making them choose the right business opportunity, international or domestic franchises. We also work very closely with brands, international brands, national brands, and also with buyers, advising them to take the right decision about the segment that they're looking for, the brands that they're looking for, and obviously then we also assign our key account managers to the brands and to the investors, wherein they can kind of come in a common platform and understand the brand and the industry and investors both. So with this brief, um, also I would like to add that we have about 5,000 brands, active brands which are with us, wherein these are the 6 brands that will showcase their brand, their business model, their USP across India. And however, we have about 5,000 such brands with us in our under our umbrella, which are with us, and for different from different segment, different industries, different brands, wherein you can actually visit our website www.franchiseindia.com, and therefore choose or ask us questions, relevant questions on industry brands that you have, and we will be more than happy to help you out. Once you ask those questions, those key account managers will be assigned to you, and will take up all your questions, resolve all those queries, questions that you have, and have a tri-party discussion agreement with the brands. So with this brief about our organization, and we would like all the investors to be with us in this webinar for next 1.5 hours or 2 hours to know about the brands. As I said, their business model, their financials, the ROI, and also to be active participant by asking questions on our chat box on any topic relevant to the brands. These are 6 brands which are coming in into the webinar today, which is Antonomy, which is a leading gym and lifestyle chain. We have Complex, which is a smart miniplex theaters. Then we have Edrol, which is into automobile lubricants, and they have Sonu Sood as their brand ambassador. On F&B, we have London Slush. We have Sports Quest, which is customized active. They make customized active sportswear. And then again, on the F&B side is Pizza 79. So these are the 6 brands which will showcase their model. Sorry, was I on mute?
Yes, Prashant. So we heard till you talked about our different brand.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you want me to start again, or
no, it's okay. Thank you so much for starting and giving us this opportunity to host all our investors, inviting the brands for today's evening. As rightly mentioned by you, we have invited some of the very premium brand today. The first brand which we are representing for all of you is Anatomy. Brand comes from Delhi, and it's a leading gym chain. Today we have invited Mr. Mayank, who will talk about this brand. Thank you so much for joining us today. Mayank, can we request you to please share your screen as well as to talk about the brand?
Sure, I'll share it. So thank you all for joining us. And I'm Ragang Gupta. I am the manager at Anatomy Lifestyle Fitness. So Anatomy Lifestyle Fitness, it's, as you know, it is one of the leading brands in fitness, and it comes with luxury. We have our brand ambassador as actor Mr. Nawab Shah and Mrs. Pooja Batra. So let me take you to the company. We have our directors. Our motto and our director's message is to provide the best facility of fitness, and not making fitness as a luxury, but making necessity in India. As we can see, the pandemic is all over in India, and immunity is all we are talking about. When we talk about immunity, it comes with a balanced lifestyle, a good training, and a good healthy lifestyle. Okay, so our MDs are Mr. Ajay Kumar and Brajesh Tyagi. Our motto is that we launched Anatomy Lifestyle Fitness in 2010 to make it as a luxury, not a necessity. Whenever anyone joins us, we take their health assessment, we take their postures, because as we are into a sedentary lifestyle, and one should take care of their postures. We also check their functional movement patterns, and we check their fitness levels, because the fitness of each individuals are different. Then we have our dietitians who help them with their nutrition plans and help them to take the journey forward. It is not that said. We also help them with rehabilitation and corrective exercise, which is an essential part of the training. covering all the 5 components and giving the best experience and the different kind of training experience in anatomy. We also have classes from a company, well-known company known as Les Mills, which is a company based in New Zealand. And the high intense classes, we have different program out of it. If somebody wants to have exercise as fun and enjoyable, Anatomy Lifestyle is one-stop solution for it. When we talk about franchisees, schemes and benefits, we promise you in first 18 months, you'll get all the returns what you have invested in the company. Whenever we have a franchisee partner, we have a business partner, we take the SWOT analysis and we help them to maintain their business and to frame the proper things. We also help them with the proper software, because software is something now that everything is digitalized. Like in members of Anatomy Lifestyle Fitness, they can track their fitness, they can through their mobile app, they can see what progress that they have made through the mobile application and everything. So when you become a partner with Anatomy Lifestyle Fitness, you get an exclusive partner with Anatomy software and even the member software. We also help you to go with your one-on-one monthly analysis, which is something which is really important to take care of the revenue and the profits. We also help you for the performance analysis for all the managers, all the employees who will be working with you, and what progress steps they are taking for the company. Daily work performance, as in Anatomy Lifestyle Fitness software, you can track the daily work performance, how much your employee is giving their percent. If an employee is giving 100%, you can see it, what targets we have set for them. They can see it and you can see it and you can applaud them. If they are not doing, we can take necessary steps. We also provide education and training before the team coming on board. We train them, we educate them with industry's best and best staff. When we talk about returns, as I said earlier, in 18 months, you'll get all the returns, what you have already filed in the company. Marketing will be done by Anatomy Lifestyle Fitness through digital media and other media sources as well. Promotions will be done by our brand ambassadors, Mr. Nawab Shah and Pooja Batra. We do have a lot of celebrity guests, and the best part is they enjoy posting about ourselves. So yes, they will be also helping to promote the brand, and which will help you to get all your returns. When celebs comes to your place, obviously people know that the facilities of the club is amazing. Under the experienced management and the staff, we'll go with an explosive pre-sales, and we'll touch those pre-sales skyrocket from the day one before the opening of gym. Pre-sale is a certain part where your map is ready, how the gym will look, but the gym is not ready. It's under construction, and then we start as pre-sales. We'll be kicking off pre-sales with explosive numbers, and we are looking like 500 plus members joined in the pre-sale itself. SWOT analysis of the area. SWOT analysis is something important where we should know our strength, weakness, and opportunity and threats of the business, and which depends upon the area. When we talk about SWOT analysis, we should also understand that the company, what we do well, and what separates us, what is our USP in comparison to other brands of fitness or gymnasium near to our area. How much our employees are knowledgeable, skilled, and educated, and in how good location our property is, because location is something which really matters. When we talk about weakness, what are the resource limitations? We need to analyze that. We also analyze that what are the competitors and what they are better than us. When we talk about opportunities, what are the opportunities where we have to grab? What are all the opportunities where our competitors are lacking and we have to give them? For example, press coverage, media coverage. We need to market our products, whatever we are launching. Threats, what are the new competitors coming? Is there any bad review? If there is any bad review, we need to sort them out of the customer. If the customer's attitude is changing, we need to sit and we need to think about why the customer attitude is changing towards the brand. If the customer had a really good mindset with the company, now they don't have, there is something which we are lacking on, we should need to work on as a gym. When we talk about monthly performance analysis, membership sales, and when we talk about membership sales, we need to find new contact ratio. This is the where business comes in, and this is the where revenue comes in. New contact ratio. What do you mean by new contact ratio? It's simple, that how much touch base our membership consultants have called them. They have asked them to, what are the new numbers they have called them. Call ratio, total number of calls done in a day. Show ratio, number of calls done in a day, and how many people have visited the gym. Appointment ratio, people have said, okay, we'll come and visit the gym. Most of the people, they come. Most of the people don't come. That is known as the appointment ratio. The closure ratio, how many people who are showing up and getting closed. That's a close ratio. Let me tell you one thing. All these 5 components are really necessary for a smooth running of the gymnasium. Membership sales, when we talk about NGym, that is the most integral part of the club. And these all things track us one thing, how much outreach, if we need to increase our revenue, how much improvement we have to do in our calling, in our resource, in our referrals, we need to analyze that. When we talk about fitness department, what was the conversion of personal trainings of new joiner members? New joiner members are the members who have recently joined the club and they're getting converted into personal trainings. Reassessment conversion ratio, when we talk about reassessment conversion ratio, is member is already there in the club. The trainers are taking the reassessment. They are taking them through the fitness test. They are checking their diaries and everything. And then they're reassessing them, and the client wants to take personal training. That's a reassessment booking ratio. Reassessment booking ratio, we book the client. Would you like to come? After 45 days, we reassess the client fitness level. What is the fitness level now from day 1 to day 45? What positives, what negatives they have accomplished? That is the reassessment ratio. Personal training retention. 10, for example, 10 members have taken and 8 are getting retained. We need to find why those 2 are not getting retained. We need to also find, is there a bad experience or what? Either they can have a bad experience, they might be traveling. We need to know the reason why they are not retaining. They might have not got good results, they might have got good results, or they have certain important personal works where they won't be able to come to the gym. We need to know that. That is something, customer feedback is something which is really important. Group class penetration ratio, how many members are into personal training, how many members are doing group classes? Because Anatomy Lifestyle Fitness believes when we do together, we achieve together, we achieve higher. And achieving higher, it means into group classes. Group classes is a very unique way of training and getting maximum results in minimum amount of time. When you do treadmill or when you do training alone, you don't reach at your best. When you are with 30 different people, 20 different people, training the same thing, and you see other person giving 5% extra, you try to give you 110% extra. And that 10% gives you the maximum results. So we believe a lot of members, all the members should try group classes. We also need to understand what is the group class penetration ratio. When we talk about service is something which is the most integral part for Anatomy and for all the brands, for any company. We need to understand what is the net member movement. Net member movement explains us, we had 10 members who were about to leave, who were into renewals. How many members we have renewed? They can be advanced renewals, they can be post-advanced renewals, which really we need to understand. Positive net member movement has been a great success to Anatomy, because the Anatomy has launched like 200 from 2010. Since 2010, we have a member base ratio of 900 plus. That has been something which is amazing for us. Daily member penetration, how many members are coming daily basis? The members who are not coming on a daily basis, we take them to service and courtesy call. We request them to come. We take the reassessment session, because when they have invested their money, we want to give them good results. We want to give them the good service what they have paid for. And we can understand some days you have a slow day, a bad day, but we want our members to come and take all the services, enjoy all the services. Member retention ratio, that is something which is really important for anyone and everyone. Retention of members is something we don't want any member to leave us with a bad experience. A bad experience can spoil our advocacy, which can lead to a downside of the business. When we focus on member retention, they tend to bring 5 to 10 clients extra with the referrals. That is what we are looking for. Service and courtesy ratio, calls ratio. Members who are not showing up, they have their birthdays. They have their birthdays, we are calling them, we are wishing them. That makes them feel special and that makes them feel good. Coming to the next slide, what facilities we require from you guys as to take the franchise. An investment between 50 lakhs to 1 crore, the brand fee of 10 lakh rupees, royalty of 10% we are looking for. The land, the area has to be commercial, and the area required is 3,000 square feet to 5,000 square feet. When we talk about education and training, Anatomy has a venture of Shiksha by Anatomy, where we train elite fitness professionals and the new GX leaders with this help of experienced staff and the fitness leaders of the industry. Education is a key role in fitness industry. The reason behind is pretty simple. We have seen a lot of past cases through social media, through Facebook, through WhatsApp, that member has fainted down, member has gotten a heart attack. An educated fitness professional makes a very big impact. A person who got a heart attack should be attended by a trainer who must have done at least a CPR course so that he or she can revive them. That is something which is a basic requirement. And coming with fitness industry, we do lack about it. So we have our own venture, Shiksha by Anatomy, where all the training takes place and everything takes place. That's it from my side. If you have any queries, if any questions, I'm looking forward to taking it. Thank you.
Now we invite Prashant and Preeti ma'am. Preeti ma'am, she's our very senior resource, IC partner. Both of you can start with your queries.
Hi, Mrigank, Prashant Bhandari. Good evening.
Hi. Good evening. Good evening.
So, what are the expansion areas, Mrigank, if I have to ask, what are the expansion cities or, that you're looking at?
We are looking tier 2, tier 3 cities, even the tier 1, if they have, because the investment is not big amount. And when we talk about tier 1 cities, the rentals becomes really high. So we are looking for tier 2 to tier 3 cities.
And what is the return on investment in terms of how fast will the investor break in terms of months or?
So break in, we are looking forward for 9 months. In 9 months, we'll get the break in. And after 9 months, we'll start getting profit. And in first 18 months, you'll get all the returns back. That is the promise.
And what is the support? What is the support, marketing support or support that you guys will provide to the investors?
We have a social media team. We have a PR team, which is being taken care of. We also have brand ambassador as Mr. Nawab Shah and Mrs. Pooja Batra.
Okay.
Pooja Batra, which are well known in the industry. We also have a lot of celebrities coming in.
Okay.
In Anatomy Lifestyle Fitness. They are really happy to know that we are expanding. So yeah, we have you have full media support, and also we have a good name of Anatomy Lifestyle Fitness, which has an excellent member retention ratio.
All right, thank you from my side.
So thank you so much, Mrigank. Thank you so much, Prashant.
Thank you.
Thank you. Now the next brand which we are representing for all of you is Conflex, and we have invited the team of Conflex to share their business idea as well as the kind of the value proposition they are creating in market. So Muskan, if we can request you to start with the presentation.
Hi, I will be doing the same. Hi, I just wanted to check whether I'm audible or not.
Yes, we can see the PPT
can,
also. Yes, we can see the PPT as well as we can hear you. And so all the brand owners, since we have a limited time period of 1.5 hours for this particular webinar, we request you to please wrap up your presentation within 10 minutes.
Sure, we'll do that. So here we are, India's fastest growing theatre chain. The company mother company is BCS Industries Limited, and the Conflex is just a brand of it. And in that we are providing you the ultra luxurious theater, which is currently visible on your screen. This is just a glimpse of it. I'll take you further for that. These are our color combination: mood mango and charcoal black. Why the India's fastest cinema chain is because we are providing everything what is needed to a theater owner, the franchisee, or to the viewer who comes to our theater to watch the movie. Like we are providing 100% cashback even on their first purchases. Current scenario is so fragile due to COVID and rest of the illnesses. The hygiene and health is very much important, wherein the seating capacity what we are providing is by itself is a social distancing, because we are using 24 inches from center to center, not like other brands are giving only 15 to 16-inch seats. We are creating hybrid model, and we are creating a better surface design by high performance infrastructure. We adopt existing space, which gives you more return on your existing property. The property or the structure need not to be created separately to get the theater. So that is the biggest advantage what an investor can have by taking our franchisee, wherein they have to just invest in creating their dynamic franchisee. About the complex, let me tell you, company VCS Industries was established in year 2009. We were into movie distribution, film branding, in-film branding, overseas release, and whatnot related to movies. In year 2017, we started doing research about the cinema and the income of the cinema, why it was not reaching 1000 CR. It was just the lack of screens what were there. So we started creating franchisee. We have started creating ultra luxurious theater by looking at the current scenario that everybody is ready to pay whatever digit, but they need luxury, comfort, and best cinematic experience. For that, we are providing all innovative offers to the viewers who are coming to our theater in terms of viewing experience, in terms of F&B experience, and even in terms of the amenities what are available in the theater. Technology is what we are using latest year 2020 edition to get their cinematic experience in terms of sound and viewing experience. For the investor, yes, their main reason to do the business or invest is getting their money back. First of all, the break-even point, and then their return on investment, profit, how long they are going to get their profit continuously, because we are providing this franchisee for 9 years minimum and then extension of 5 years by default with this. So ultimately they get this franchisee for 14 years. These are a few glimpses of our 3D model theater, upcoming theater. Business opportunity with us, that we are providing 3 different models, and we give them a return within just 18 to 24 months of their investment done to us, because we are creating fastest setup of the theater. The day we get the civil clear site, we can create that ultra luxurious theater within just 45 to 60 days by using all latest technology and ultra luxurious sitting capacity. We are using all seats, pushback recliner sofa seats, and first row loungers completely. Wherever the space is available to provide the loungers, yes, first row loungers are the best possible seat to watch such dynamic movies what we are producing in India and overseas. There are a few upcoming things also that we have asked government to provide, that is 24/7 operating system, web series, subsidies and everything, which is still under process, as due to COVID, the government is not giving permission so quickly. But my model is very dynamic, and it is possible to drive the change in the cinema industry by entering into tier 3 and tier 4 cities also with the same luxurious theaters. As you can see, as I was saying, all the seats are sofa pushback recliner with PVC cushion and leather finish. And the first rows are lounger, as it is visible. These are our upcoming and new model, which I will describe you a little later. Opportunities with Complex, as I was discussing, we are providing the cinematic experience in the class by providing all ultra luxurious seating, because when you are sitting in a theater for 3 hours, you should be comfortable 100% when you are already paying such amount, good amount for the entertainment. 100% cashback to the viewers and creative offers for patrons by providing 100% cashback, 100% offers on ticket, combos and everything. For the franchisee revenue, it is how they are going to get their money back is 80% profit post deduction of GST and producer share on the box office, 80% on the food and beverage after deduction of GST and raw material, conferences and the rest of everything. Also, they are going to get 80% profit, and on advertisement as well. That is in-screen advertisement and off-screen advertisement. Both they are going to get 80% profit after deduction of whatever deductions are there. This slide is very important, as you can see the country USA is having 41,000 screens. They are producing 2,000 content. Country like China is having 60,000 screens and they are creating only 900 content. But where in India, we had 9,500 screens in the year 2019 before COVID, and we were creating 4,000 content, including all the regional languages. That's where we targeted our number of screens. What we are planning 11,200 screens in pan India by end of year 2030. Actual requirement by year 2030 would be more than 21,000 additional screens, but we want to be realistic, and our targets are 11,200 under us. This is just a franchisee comparison wherein we are providing all the options like franchisee model, franchisee fees, luxury and comfort. We are not charging any minimum guarantee or movie purchase charges. 100% cashbacks are provided from our side. Addition to that, none of the brand invests in the franchisees, wherein we invest 40%. We require the least space. The smallest screen what we can create is within just 5,000 square feet area, wherein we suggest that we should have at least minimum 8,000 square feet area. But yet within 5,000 square feet area, we can create 2-screen theater. Per screen investment, the smallest one or the lowest one is 35 to 42 lakhs. And again, the return on investment, what is expected is within the time frame of 18 to 24 months. The earning areas, which I had already mentioned previously: box office, food and beverage, conferences, meetings, ceremonies, and screen advertisements. Even if few shows are not working, we provide them morning shows with the group bookings, seminars, conferences, or even in the evening, we are providing launch parties, premieres, birthday parties, and everything to get their money as early as back. This is one of our theater aerial view, which is having 87 seated, 2 auditorium. This is the upcoming new model what we have launched. This is a dual lounger or a couple lounger, wherein you have to purchase 2 tickets and you have your own private space to watch your movie. Box office area, waiting area, and food and beverage area. These are the separate washroom, all included within just 7,500 square feet area with sitting capacity of more than 224. These are my models. I'll take 3 to 4 minutes on this. We have 3 models. This is mini model, sitting capacity is 50 to 60. This is express model, sitting capacity 61 to 80, and this is a premium model, 81 to 100, or it can go up to 124 as well. Wherein the space required per screen is 1,000 to 1,400 square feet area, but minimum area required is 5,000 square feet, because we have to include everything, not just the auditoriums. We have to include 2 auditorium, as we are providing minimum 2 screens. We have to provide 2 separate washroom for male, female, and a wheelchair third one. We have to provide amenities like F&B area, complimentary water, and everything is included in that 5,000 square feet area for mini model. For express model, we require area of approximately 6,000 square feet, and the height requirement for that property would be 12 to 14 feet to occupy number of seats what we are projecting in the express model. For the premium model, the seating capacity, as it is 80 to 100 or 124, the space requirement is also increased 2,500 to 3,000 square feet area per screen, and the height requirement also increases by 14 to 16 feet from beam to bottom. What all needs to be done by the franchisee before we are proceeding our work? They have to provide us a civil clear site, separate washrooms, basically a civil work what is needed, and the waiting area beautification has to be done by the franchisee. From their investment, we are going to give them all drawing, planning, and air conditioning, base structure for the seats, sofa recliner and pushback recliner seats, all kind of electrical work inside the auditorium, 7.1 JBL Dolby surround system by Harman, 5-layer acoustic to control that sound system, structure for screen and the fabrication, plus floor carpet and wall fabrication. And for off-screen advertisement, we are going to provide them the digital displays on box office and food and beverage and everything. Along with that, company also invest in all the technology, POS for box office and food and beverage, servers with UPS, laser projectors, VSET satellite system, F&B machinery, signages, digital displays for again additional advertisement earning, hoardings, ticket and F&B printers, swipe machines. Promotion for that theater for first 45 days is also done by, from our side. Plus, to get the to get their viewers footfall, we are going to do all the advertisements and combos and promos also. Other than that, what benefit they are going to get is they are going to get support in all the setup of F&B, fire, licensing process, training, orientation for the theater employees. Plus, we are not charging like other brands for content, and we are not charging for minimum guarantee, which is asked by producers. The investment range is written according to number of seats, like 60 seater will be auditorium will be having investment of 42 lakhs plus GST, and wherein 700 seater auditorium will be having investment of 70 lakhs plus GST per screen. Now comes the question, how the money is going to come back by getting the investment. This is a simple calculation of two screen of 65 an average small screen, wherein we are concluding 5 shows in a day, 18 days for week days, and 12 days for the weekends, as cinema industry is divided into 2 parts, weekends and weekdays. We are taking currently ATP as only 150 with the occupancy of 50% in the weekdays and only 80% rather than 95 or 90% on the weekends, which probably gives the earning of 18,13,500 after deduction of GST and producer share. The balance digit received is 7,68,000. Out of this, 80% profit goes to the franchisee, that is you. If you are taking the franchisee, 6,14,000. Same digit of occupancy, 50 to 80, 12,000. We are considering currently F&B digit only at 75 rupees per person, which is not even 30% of actual spending done by the viewers in the city of Delhi or NCR. But still we are considering, because this is a calculation considered pan India. So the earning what comes from food and beverage and the conferences after deduction of GST and raw material cost and disposable, 7,30,000, and 80% profit again goes to you, that is 5,84,000. For advertisements, we are providing 10 advertisements per screen with a rate of 8,000 rupees per screen. This is only an in-screen advertisement I'm talking. Our off-screen advertisements can be in huge numbers because that is going to run continuously, wherein in-screen advertisement runs only twice before the show and in the intervals. That also gives you 89,000. Total earning what you get for a 1 month 65-seater 2 auditorium is 12,88,000 plus. Now, when I'm providing you a franchisee owned, franchisee operated model, the operation cost goes to you, and that comes around 3.5 to 4 lakh rupee. After deducting that from the earning, you earn minimum 9 lakh per month from one theater of 2 screen, 130 seater total, that is 65 seater 2 auditorium. Now this 65 2-seater auditorium cost only 91 lakhs plus GST, wherein the 1 year earning, this is a yearly table, after investment of 91 lakhs plus GST, you are getting your money back within just 11 months if the calculation goes according to this, because this is the average calculation of India multiplexes. Still, I am giving you an opportunity to get your money back within 18 to 24 months, wherein it is possible to get your money back or your break even back within just 11 months. So this is the opportunity to enter into the cinema industry, as now post COVID, everybody is tired of watching all content in the small screen and in the mobile laptops and all, wherein people are eager to go into the cinema and get the cinematic experience as early as possible. Now even the Bollywood is open from this month, and there are more than 237 movies scheduled for upcoming 9 months. That is going to start from this month only. The first movie which is going to be released is Suryavanshi, and so on. If I'm talking about South Indian movie, let me tell you, it is more than 400 movies which are ready to be released. It's just that they are waiting for theaters to open pan India, and which has started. Archana, I am done from my side, and now it's over to you. This is just a last slide from my side. This is our presence. Currently, we are already in Gujarat, Rajasthan, UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Karnataka. We are having 76 operating retail theaters. We have already 8 state partners, and 3 are having zone partners. Total, we have 26 district franchises as well. I myself take care of Middle East international sales in Middle East, Europe, Southeast Asia, and Canada. And now I'm taking over for India as well. Archana, over to you. If we have any questions, I can see one.
So thank you so much, Ashok. We see queries. We are over short of time. So we see one query from Jugal Kishore. What is the screen size of the theater? That will definitely like to ask
Mr.
you.
Jugal Kishore, if you are providing 16 feet height, we will be providing you 11 to 12 feet tall screen with the ratio of 25 feet width. It depends on the auditorium size, what you are providing, a civil clear site, pillarless area, what you will be providing us. We are going to create the screen size according to that.
Sure. So thank you so much, Ashok. Thanks for that understanding. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. Everybody stay safe, stay healthy.
Thank you so much. Now, the next brand which we are representing and inviting, we invite Mr. Tane, who represents the brand Adrol Lubricants, a very known brand, and the brand ambassador is Sonu Sood. And today you can become a distributor with Adrol. Thank you so much, Tane, for joining in today. May we request to share your screen with us? Ashok, if you can just remove your screen. Yeah.
Hi. Good evening, everyone. Good evening to all the investors. I request Archana ji to share the screen. I've already shared the PPT with her.
So Tane, I need to download this presentation by the time I download it, because it will probably take some time. Can you start with the
Yes, I'll start with that. So good evening to all the lovely investors present out here. So we are Adrol Lubricants. We are in lubricants and greases for more than 51 years. We started off as a steel grip manufacturer, conveyor belts, transmission rubber belts in plastics industry, and diversified into lubricants and greases. We are associated with Mr. Sonu Sood as a brand ambassador, as well as with Mr. Sunny Deol before this. And we have a presence in more than 26 states, and we have more than 300 distributors pan India. And we provide all kinds of solutions for lubricants and greases, whether it's for agricultural, automotive, as well as for industrial. We have more than 350 products under our umbrella, and we are looking to expand with Franchise India, of course, and provide this wonderful brand to you. We have also come up with a very unique product that is for the first time that this product has been introduced into the Indian market. This product that we call is Adrol Glide. It has some very unique benefits associated to it, as well as some unique features. So this is a 0W40 fully synthetic engine oil, which is first of its kind. It has some very unique benefits, such as it will increase your pickup, it will lower your smoke emission, it will have a better driving experience. With this engine oil, you will have better driving and riding experience. But the most fantastic thing about this engine oil is you can reduce your fuel consumption, that is your petrol or diesel consumption, up to 20%. So your fuel efficiency would be more than 20% what you were gaining before, which is a very big amount for anyone, any user, especially in the current market where the petrol and diesel prices are soaring up very high. As well as it will also increase your engine life performance, of course, over the years. So this is a very unique engine oil that we have introduced, and we are gaining a lot of trust as well as a lot of good responses from the market wherever we are trusting or where we are applying it. So this is the major portfolio that Adrol has, and it has been as one of the biggest competitors for all the other brands as well, competing in all levels. After this, we are looking for investors, of course, in almost pan India, uh, especially for today's Delhi and NCR. We are looking at two sectors, that is your North Delhi as well as for the South Delhi districts. We provide committed area to all of our distributors, so there is no ground end competition, as well as there is no challenges faced for the distributor from any other distributor of Adrol. Then coming to the partner commercial terms, the best thing about Adrol lubricants is that you can start this business at very low expenses, as well as the investment is also not that high. The investment we are seeking is 10 lakh rupees, which is clearly and entirely towards the stock. So for the 10 lakh rupees, you will receive the entire stock. You will not receive, you will not have to pay any marketing fees. You will not have to pay any training fees. You will not have to pay any other kind of franchise or royalty. For the entire 10 lakh, you will get the material. Secondly, the expenses involved into starting this business is very less. You just need 1 to 2 salesperson, a very small space for a godown to stock your goods. That is about 500 to 700 square feet, which can be in any location. So there is no prime location involved. So the rent part is also very less. And there is no other major expenses involved in this business. So this is the very major and good point to start with at Adrol lubricant. Now coming to the ROI for the investors, we are looking at, like I mentioned, we are looking at an investment of 10 lakh rupees. Yeah, so I think now we can see the presentation. If you can just scroll to, I think, 15th or 18th slide, so I can explain the ROI. Like I mentioned, we are available in all the 3 segments. This is our new product Adrol Glide. These are some testimonials. If you can skip this. Hello. Archana ji, you can just skip on this part.
So you have to tell me because I will not be able to see the side.
Next. Yeah. So we are looking at an investment of 10 lakh rupees. Like I mentioned, you can start this business with 1 salesperson who will be handling the workshops and the mechanics in your area. The accountant, you don't really need an accountant expenses for the smaller districts. That's why we have not mentioned over here. Back. Then we are, if you can just move back, Archana ji. Hello. Yes, so salary for any salesperson is around 18,000. Godown rent, like I mentioned, you do not need any very prime location for your godown, which can be only 500 to 700 square feet, which is around 10,000 rupees. Godown expenses would be around another 10,000 rupees. Delivery system expenses for any small delivery van which you will be needing would be another 15,000 rupees. So the total cost would be around 53 lakhs, and your monthly net profit would be around 67,000. And we are looking at a yearly profit of 8 lakh 4,000. So your total investment that you will be seeking would be around 11 lakh 40,000, which is a good ROI that is for 70%. So the expenses are very less, the investment is very less, and the ROI is on the good basis for like what we are giving to you. Next. Archana ji, next.
And I'm at the next slide. It will probably take half a minute because it'll reflect on I'm at the requirement of the to start a business slide.
So on to requirements, like I mentioned, godown and office space would be around 500 to 700 square feet, depending upon the district you take. For a smaller district, we are looking at a space of 500 to 700 square feet. For medium and the large would be around 700 to 1,000 square feet, which is not a very big space required, and it can be in any of the places. Goods delivery system for delivering the goods to the required workshops and the dealers. 2 sales staff. After, of course, growing up, we will start with 1 sales staff, a GST number which is compulsory, a laptop and a computer to manage your accounts. So like I mentioned, we will give you a committed area. So there's no grounded disturbance or challenge faced by you by any other distributor of all. So you will be getting a committed area for that. Innovative business solutions, we have a very unique way of establishing market as well as how we proceed. So we will give you a proper training for that as well. We have a very good supply chain system to ensure the product reaches you on time. We deliver quality products. Like I mentioned, we are one of the first of India to provide such unique products as well as new innovative products. So we have quality products and we have an MSP, so you do not face any challenges from the distributors as well. Next. So like I mentioned, we are not charging for any marketing fees, but we still give you all the marketing support needed by you. So we will be giving you TV advertisement, we will be giving you digital advertisement, we will be giving you print advertisement, radio activations, indoor activations, attractive retailer mechanic schemes, which are very important in our field of work to keep mechanics and the retailers satisfied. We will be providing you with that. Banner, posters, stickers, t-shirt for all the activation. So we will be providing you with all of that without any charging for marketing support fees. This will be provided by our end without any marketing support fees taken by the distributor. So we have implemented this marketing strategy since 2011, and we have seen a very good response from the market. We have high returns on the investment. We have, like I mentioned, a very innovative style to develop the market, which is less time taking. And if you're new to the business, then also we provide you training. And if you are already associated to the automotive or industrial sector, we have some ways in which we can already tap the link of your existing customer base. So we provide you ways in that as well. Now, there are some apprehensions in COVID-19 for any investor. Would it be feasible to start the business? Of course, in COVID-19, it's very feasible because of the increased use of private vehicles by people. Next. So we also give you a training support. Our ASM is attached to you as soon as you take a distributorship with us. an ASM would be attached to you who will provide you all training if you're new to the lubricant industry. So the training would be provided by our ASM at your location to you as well as to your team for all the sectors. We have a lot of sectors in our lubricant industry. We have two-wheeler sector, we have four-wheeler sector, we have LCV sector, we have HCV sector, which is heavy commercial vehicles. Then we have industrial sector as well. So a sector by sector training will be given by us, by our ASM to you and to your team at your location. So, like I mentioned, we are already in running this sessions and this training program since 2011. We will be giving you a sector by sector training. We have a complaint and suggestion complete solutions in which all your queries, all your requirements are filled to the call center, and from there directly our ASM and the management would be in direct contact with you. Next. So this was the presentation for the Adrol lubricants. We are providing all the three things that are required by the any investor. We are providing high returns on investment. We are giving low expenses start to the investor. So very low expenses involved in starting, as well as very innovative products which are very new to the market and are easy to develop and establish the market. Thank you, Archana ji.
Thank you so much, Tane. Thank you so much. Now we have our very senior consultant Preeti ji, as well as we have Prashant live here. So Prashant ji, आपका, Preeti ji, आपके जो भी queries हैं आप पूछ सकते हैं.
Tanmay, thank you for telling us about the product. And,
thank you so much.
Obviously, I've gone through many times in terms of the product presentation. But these are new participants, new investors. Just want to know, and specifically, you're looking for North India, North India expansion. And if you can just tell us cities, this will help the investors to know exactly where we are looking at the expansion.
So, like in Punjab, we are present in patches. So, of course, Punjab would be a target states for us in like cities like Chandigarh, cities like Amritsar is on our list, and we are looking for investors in Punjab, in NCR region, and Himachal Pradesh would be we are present in patches in Himachal Pradesh as well. So we are looking in distributors, especially in these regions. In Jammu and Kashmir would be another. We are present in Jammu, but not in Kashmir. So these are the places in where we are present in patches. So we are always looking to, tap into the investors in all these places.
Sure. Thank you, Tanmay. That's it from my side, Archana. Thank you, Tanmay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Now the next brand which we are bringing for all of you is London Slash, and we have invited Yoginder ji to talk about this brand. Yoginder ji, thank you so much. आज हमें join करने के लिए. We are excited to invite you to talk about the brand London Slash. Second time Franchise India is launching your brand. So over to you, sir, to talk about this.
Yeah, thanks, Archana. Thanks a lot. I'm sharing my screen. Just hold on. Archana, do you have my presentation?
So I do have, I need to download it. So you have to allow me.
Already downloaded, but I'm not able to share my screen.
No worries, no worries. Just allow me some time to download it. Yeah.
Yes. That's interesting. So, this brand name is London Slush. Basically, the drink name is slush. Slush is a common noun like mineral water, packaged water, like that. It's a slush. If you go through the Wikipedia, so you will find that a frozen non-carbonated drink called as slush. Slush तो already इंडिया से बाहर काफी अच्छा मार्केट है. अगर आप यूरोप की बात करें, अमेरिका की बात करें, तो वहां पर ये कटथ्रोट कंपटीशन में जैसे आज मिनरल वाटर इंडस्ट्री. अभी हम लोगों ने एक ब्रांड के साथ इसको स्टार्ट किया है. दिस ब्रांड बिलोंग्स टू लिवरपूल यूके. तो हम लोग इसको इंडिया में लेके आए हैं. तो वी हैव एवरीथिंग एज पर द यूरोपियन स्टैंडर्ड. अभी ये मार्केट नया है और इस मार्केट में अभी हम लोग एंट्री कर रहे हैं. तो 2 से 3 साल में हम लोग काफी आगे जा सकते हैं जब तक बाकी कॉम्पिटिटर्स आएंगे. रीजन क्या है इसके पीछे की जो इसका कॉन्सेप्ट है, वो कॉन्सेप्ट ये है कि हम लोग मशीन्स, जो स्लश मशीन होती है, वो हम डिफरेंट आउटलेट पे, जो रिटेल आउटलेट्स हैं जो ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग काम कर रहे हैं, जिनका बेकरी शॉप है, ये जो पिज़्ज़ा का है या कॉफ़ी शॉप्स हैं, वहाँ पर अपनी मशीन इंस्टॉल करते हैं और उनको जो स्लश सेल करके प्रॉफिट होता है वो मोर देन 300% होता है. तो इसमें उन लोगों को इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं होता है, उनको प्रॉफिट मार्जिन अच्छे होते हैं. अगर मेरा एक फूड कियोस्क है जिसमें मैं ऑलरेडी बिजनेस कर रहा हूँ, तो अगर मुझे 40-50 हज़ार रुपये एक्स्ट्रा मिल भी रहे हैं तो मेरे लिए बेनिफिट है उसके. हमारा रीजन क्या रहता है कि हम लोग स्लश का सिरप बेचने में इंटरेस्टेड होते हैं. तो इसमें हम लोग टारगेट करते हैं पर्टिकुलर सिटीज जिनके अंदर पोटेंशियल हो, जहाँ पर हम लोग इस काम को स्टार्टअप करा पाएँ. ऑलरेडी अगर मैं दिल्ली की बात करूँ तो यहाँ पर बहुत सारी लीड्स हैं हमारे पास. हम लोग JW मैरियट में हम लोगों ने इसमें स्टार्ट किया था, रिव्यू किया था, तो इतनी लीड्स आई थी कि ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे लोग हमारे टच में हैं जो रिटेल पॉइंट पे चाहते हैं कि हम उनके यहाँ मशीन अपनी सेटअप करें. तो जो भी हम लोगों को फीडबैक मिला मार्केट से वो बहुत पॉजिटिव मिला है. तो अपने को रिटेल में प्लेसमेंट में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है क्योंकि ऑलरेडी मार्जिनेबल प्रोडक्ट है. तो वो लोग इंटरेस्टेड हैं कि इस काम को करें. तो इसमें अगर आप बाहर का बात करें तो बहुत अच्छा मार्केट है. जैसे हम प्रेजेंटेशन में देखेंगे तो इसमें हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी कोट किया हुआ है कि इसमें अगर यूके की बात करें तो 3,20,000 पाउंड पर एनम का मार्केट है वहाँ पर. अभी ये सिर्फ स्टार्टिंग है. यहाँ अभी हम लोग इंडिया में स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं इस चीज़ को. अच्छा ना, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. सो व्हाट इज द टारगेट ऑडियंस? हमारा टारगेट ऑडियंस 5 साल से लेके 25 और 35 साल तक है. हम लोगों ने अभी इसको ट्रायल बेसिस पे एक यहाँ पैसिफिक मॉल है गाजियाबाद में, वहाँ हम लोगों ने अपना एक कियोस्क सेटअप किया था ये जानने के लिए कि कौन सा फ्लेवर लोग पसंद करते हैं, स्लश की एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी कितनी है और किस टाइप का एज ग्रुप आता है हमारे पास जो उसको पसंद करता है चीज़ों को. तो हमने देखा कि यहाँ पर यंगस्टर्स जो हैं, आप 16 से 25 की बात करें तो वो सबसे ज़्यादा आते हैं. फिर बच्चे आते हैं. बच्चों के साथ इशू क्या है कि क्योंकि पेरेंट्स के साथ बॉन्डिंग रहती है तो पेरेंट्स उनको अलाउ नहीं कर पाते कई बार कि आप ये लो. पर वो जो यंगस्टर्स हैं वो बहुत अच्छी तरह इसको जानते हैं, समझते हैं और टेस्ट करना चाहते हैं कोई नई चीज़ कि एक नया चीज़ आई है ऑल्दो आप में से काफी लोग शायद जानते भी होंगे स्लश के बारे में, लेकिन मेजोरिटी ऑफ द पर्सन जो है उनको नहीं पता है कि स्लश क्या चीज़ है। तो हम लोग इसमें प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं कि हम लोग पैन इंडिया जो अच्छे पोटेंशियल टाउन से वहाँ से स्टार्ट करें। अगर हम सेल्स चैनल्स की बात करें तो इसमें फूड कोर्ट भी हैं, सिनेमा हॉल भी है, कॉफी शॉप भी हैं, तो मार्केट बहुत बड़ा है, पर हम उसे स्टेप बाय स्टेप करके चल रहे हैं चीज़ों को, कि हम स्टेप बाय स्टेप उसको रोल आउट करें। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। अच्छा, जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा कि हम लोग इसमें एक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेटअप देख रहे हैं। डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर का मेनली काम क्या होगा कि डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट को यूज करेंगे। बेसिकली हम लोगों ने एक ERP लिया हुआ है जिससे हम पूरा का पूरा जो भी ये चैनल मैनेजमेंट है वो लिंकअप हो। तो जो भी हमारे साथ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर होंगे तो उनके यहाँ पर एक पैनल हम लोग प्रोवाइड करेंगे, जिससे उनको रियल टाइम ये पता लग पाए कि कहाँ पर कितना शॉर्टेज हुआ है, कहाँ पर कितना देना है, सिर्फ कहाँ शॉर्ट हो गया है। तो ये सारा का सारा जो उनका रोल है वो उस मैनेज करने का है। क्योंकि आज की तारीख में अगर मैं ब्रीफ में बात करूं तो मार्केट है हमारे पास, पोटेंशियल है हमारे पास, रिटेलर भी है हमारे पास, बस सारे जो ये पूरा शो है इसको हम कितना एफिशिएंटली रन कर पाएंगे, इसी में सारा प्रॉफिट जनरेटेड है। क्योंकि इसमें अगर आपका एक भी जगह कोई मिस हो गया, टाइम से सिर्फ नहीं पहुंचा, तो उसको हमसे और आपसे भी बहुत ज्यादा लॉस होगा फाइनेंशियल। तो इसलिए हम लोग पूरा फोकस, अभी हम लोगों ने जनवरी की डेडलाइन दी है इसको लॉन्च करने के लिए। इन द मीन टाइम हम लोग इसी पे पूरा वर्किंग कर रहे हैं, जो भी R&D है, कि हम लोग बेस्ट ऑफ द मशीनरीज प्रोवाइड करें, हम बेस्ट ऑफ द टेक्नोलॉजीज यूज करें ताकि हम इन चीज़ों को पूरा कर पाएं। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। अच्छा, इस मॉडल में इन्वेस्टमेंट है 30 लाख का। अगर मैं 30 लाख को ब्रेकअप करूं तो इसमें हम लोग 27 लाख की आपको मशीन देंगे लीज बेसिस पे, और 3 लाख का आपको सिरप मिलेगा जो लगभग 10 से 12 दिन का रॉ मटेरियल होगा। जो सिरप होता है उसकी शेल्फ लाइफ होगी लगभग 6 महीना, पर हम लोग उसको ऐसे मैनेज करके चलेंगे चीज़ों को कि एक जो मशीन होगी वो 3 हेड की मशीन होती है, तो उसमें 3 फ्लेवर एक साथ रखते हैं। तो उसी बेसिस पे हम लोग ये कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं कि हम लोग इसमें 3 लाख का आपको रॉ मटेरियल देंगे और 27 लाख की मशीन्स होंगी। हम लोग इसमें 15 मशीन्स आएंगी जो हम अलग अलग लोकेशन पे, जो टॉप काउंटर्स होंगे इन द टर्म्स ऑफ फुटफॉल जिनका अच्छा होगा, लोकेशन जिनकी प्राइम होगी, जिनका ऑलरेडी अच्छा बिजनेस चल रहा होगा, हम उन्हीं के साथ अभी इनिशिएट करेंगे। जो अच्छी प्रॉपर्टीज होती है वहाँ पर हम लोग शुरू करेंगे। उसके बाद जो भी सिटी में हमारे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स होंगे फिर हम लोग इसको धीरे धीरे बढ़ाएंगे। तो ऐसा नहीं कि हम लोग यहीं पर 15 मशीन तक रखने वाले हैं। 15 मशीन एक ट्रायल बेसिस पे है कि जिससे उनके अंदर भी कॉन्फिडेंस आ पाए, मार्केट को भी हमें पता लग पाए मार्केट कैसा है, और उस हिसाब से इसको बढ़ाएंगे। अभी जो प्रोजेक्टेड सेल्स हम लोगों ने यहाँ कोट की है 7 to 9 लाख, ये उस बेसिस पे कोट की है जो ऑलरेडी हम सेल कर रहे हैं, जबकि हमने अभी सिर्फ अगस्त में शुरू किया था इस काम को। अभी हम लोगों को इतना अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स इसमें मिल रहा है कि उसमें हम लोग मान के चलते हैं कि 7 से 9 लाख की सेल तो हम कहीं भी और ऑफ सीजन या सीजन मिला के भी निकाल लेंगे उन चीज़ों को। तो अगर 9 लाख की सेल निकल जाती है तो उसमें हम लोगों ने 20% मार्जिन रखा हुआ है डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर का, जो कि इस इंडस्ट्री में सबसे अच्छा मार्जिन हम लोग प्रोवाइड करते हैं। इसमें साथ में हम लोग सारा का सारा प्रमोशन टूल्स वगैरह सारी चीज़ें प्रोवाइड करते हैं उनको, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग से उनके बैकअप होगा। तो हर चीज़ जो भी है वो हमने एक इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड के हिसाब से मेंटेन करने का इसमें प्लान अप किया है पूरा। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। अच्छा, अब ये आता है कि हम लोग कैसे कर पाएंगे इस मार्केट को पेनिट्रेट, क्योंकि आपका मेरा हम दोनों का ही मेन टारगेट ये है कि जितना ज़्यादा ये सेल आउट होगा मंथली बेसिस पे, जितना टर्नओवर आएगा उतना ही बेनिफिट होगा हम लोगों को। तो इसमें कुछ चीज़ें जाननी ज़रूरी है कि हम लोग कैसे अलग हैं, हम लोग कैसे डिफरेंट हैं, हम लोग क्या अलग करने वाले हैं। तो अभी आप देखें तो मार्केट में कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स बहुत हैं, पानी है, सारी चीज़ें हैं, लेकिन अगर स्लश की बात करें तो अभी हम लोग एक तरह से नया ब्रांड है। तो हम लोगों की अच्छा क्या है कि हम लोग उस बंदे को एडिशनल इनकम दे रहे हैं, अच्छा मार्जिन दे रहे हैं, सारी चीज़ें उनको प्रोवाइड करके दे रहे हैं, और उनको डिजिटल प्रमोशंस वगैरह सारी चीज़ें हम लोग साथ में दे रहे हैं। जो मशीन्स हैं वो मशीन्स में सब ऑटोमेटेड है। मशीन में जो भी बिकेगा, जितना बिकेगा, वो हमको रियल टाइम लोकेशन में पता लगेगा कि इतना इतना हमारी मशीन से सेल आउट हुआ है, ताकि हम लोगों को पता लग जाए कि कितना हम लोगों को और ज़रूरत पड़ने वाली है। तो उसमें सारी जो टेक्नोलॉजी है और जो भी चीज़ें हैं वो सब हम लोगों ने पूरा का पूरा, आप कहिए तो यूके स्टैंडर्ड्स को ही यहाँ हम लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं, इंक्लूडिंग सिरप हो। हमारा सिरप ऑलरेडी FDA ने FDA अप्रूवल के लिए डाला हुआ है ऑलरेडी, यूरोप से पास है, यूरोपियन यूनियन से। इंडिया में FSSAI वगैरह सब हम लोगों ने किया हुआ है। तो हम लोग बैक एंड से लेके चल रहे हैं। बैक एंड है हमारा सिरप और मशीन्स। इसमें टेक्निकल सपोर्ट की बात करें तो 24 आवर्स की टेक्निकल सपोर्ट हम लोग उनको प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं। कुछ जो स्पेयर पार्ट्स होते हैं जिसकी वजह से मशीन ब्रेक डाउन हो सकती है, वो स्पेयर पार्ट्स हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर पॉइंट पे रखेंगे ऑलरेडी, कि कभी भी अगर कोई इशू आता है तो वो इमिडिएटली हम उसको रिजॉल्व करते हैं और उनको अच्छी सपोर्ट करें। तो टेक्निकली हम लोगों ने किया अपने आप को तैयार। और अगर मैं उसकी बात करूं कि सेलिंग की हिसाब से, तो हम जो भी एक्टिविटीज हम लोगों ने प्लान की हुई है कि हम स्टेप 1 पे क्या करेंगे, स्टेप 2 पे क्या करेंगे, स्टेप 3 पे क्या करेंगे, उसमें आपके कुछ एक्टिविटीज करनी होती है, सैम्पलिंग होती है, वो बहुत सारी चीजें उसमें इन्वॉल्व होती है। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। अच्छा, तो जैसे मैंने आपसे पहले कहा था कि हम लोग इसको जनवरी मंथ में स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं, पर हम लोग टेरिटरीज ब्लॉक कर रहे हैं कि हम उस टेरिटरी में काम करना स्टार्ट कर दें, क्योंकि इसमें हम लोगों को पूरा का पूरा एक चैनल मैनेजमेंट डेवलप करना पड़ेगा। तो हम लोग जो भी पोटेंशियल सिटीज हैं उनको अभी ब्लॉक कर रहे हैं कि जो भी सिटीज फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व बेसिस पे जो भी हम करते हैं, अभी एक सिटी में आइडियली हम एक ही डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर अपॉइंट कर रहे हैं। जैसे दिल्ली है तो अभी दिल्ली में एक ही होंगे, नोएडा गाजियाबाद मिला के एक होंगे, फरीदाबाद गुड़गांव मिला के एक होंगे। तो पहले उनकी वायबिलिटी और उनकी जो भी प्लेसमेंट्स हैं वो हम अच्छी जगह पे करेंगे। अगर मैं दिल्ली की बात करूँ तो ऑलरेडी आपका ये आपका वसंत कुंज है, और इधर साउथ एक्स है, कनॉट प्लेस है। यहाँ ऑलरेडी जो रिटेलर्स हैं उन लोगों से हम लोगों की बात हो गई है, तो आपको हम एक तरह से रेडीमेड एक रिटेलर बेस स्टार्ट करके देंगे। क्वेरी ज़्यादा है, मशीन सिर्फ 15 प्लेस करनी है, तो लेकिन फिर भी हम उसमें अपने हिसाब से देखते हैं जो चीज़ हमारे लिए सबसे अच्छी होगी। आई थिंक खत्म हो गया अच्छा भाई, नहीं हो गया स्लाइड?
जी सर, दैट वाज द लास्ट स्लाइड।
तो इसमें जो भी हम लोगों ने ये कॉन्सेप्ट किया है, जो भी इसको ऑलरेडी ट्रायल किया हुआ है, इसको ऑलरेडी देखा हुआ है कि हाँ ये चीज़ें वर्क करेंगी, मार्केट इसको पॉजिटिवली रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहा है। तो एक चीज़ का मैं डेट श्योर करना चाहता हूँ कि हम लोग जो भी हमारी टीम के साथ जुड़ेंगे, जो भी हम एक फैमिली की तरह काम करेंगे, तो हम लोग अभी 2 से 3 साल में बहुत एक्सपोनेंशियली ग्रो करने वाले हैं। तो इस अपॉर्चुनिटी को प्लीज मिस ना करें, और जो भी है इंटरेस्टेड हो तो अगर और कुछ क्वेरीज हो तो प्लीज फ्रेंचाइजी में बताएं, या भी कुछ किसी को पूछना हो तो बताएंगे। ठीक है अच्छा।
Prashant sir, you have any query for him?
यागंत्र जी, ये जो पार्टनर्स हैं इनके क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होने चाहिए, किस टाइप के पार्टनर्स आप देख रहे हैं, एंड एनी experience that they have in background in terms of what they have been.
इसमें एक्सपीरियंस की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, लेकिन हम लोग इन्वेस्टर्स नहीं ढूंढ रहे हैं फ्रैंकली।
Okay.
हम लोग उन लोगों को ढूंढ रहे हैं जो कुछ करना चाहते हैं।
बहुत बहुत बढ़िया। I think
तो हम लोग ऐसे लोगों को अपने साथ अपनी टीम में शामिल करना चाहते हैं जो 1+1+1 11 बन जाए। तो पूरा जो भी चीजें हैं वो इसी तरह से फ्रेमवर्क की गई है कि उनको रोल उनका कुछ भी नहीं है और रोल उनका सबसे ज्यादा है। मेरी सारी मेहनत बेकार हो जाएगी अगर टाइम पे वो सिर्फ नहीं पहुंचेगा उस जगह। तो पूरे एफर्ट्स में हर आदमी का एक अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन है, इसलिए हम लोग जो देख रहे हैं वो इस टाइप से देख रहे हैं कि जिनको ऑलरेडी कोई काम करना है, ऐसा नहीं है कि इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है खाली कि भाई मेरे को रिटर्न मिलता है। तो इसमें हम लोगों ने एक एमजी भी डाला है उनको कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप के लिए, जो हम लोगों को ऑलरेडी सेल मिल रहा है। तो हम ये एमजी डाला हुआ इसमें कि 4.5 लाख की सेल हम लोग एक एमजी आपको दे रहे हैं। हालांकि उस एमजी की जरूरत कभी नहीं पड़ने वाली है, क्योंकि इतनी सेल हमको पता है कि इतनी इनिशियल लेवल पे ही मीट आउट हो जाती है। लेकिन फिर भी आदमी अगर इस लाइन के नहीं है या नया आदमी है तो उसके कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए हम लोगों ने ये चीजें डाली।
थैंक यू यागंत्र जी, आपने बड़ा अच्छा बोला। थैंक यू अर्चना, दैट्स इट फ्रॉम माय साइड।
ठीक है चलो जी, थैंक्स एवरीवन।
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining in. Now we invite Sandesh, who's representing the retail opportunity for all of us, Sports Quest. Thank you, Sandesh, for joining in. May we request to have a presentation from your side?
Yes, hi. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Archana. Am I audible?
Ji Sandesh, you can share your screen so
Yes,
that we
yes.
can have a presentation.
Actually, you have to share the screen, ma'am. I'm traveling from Chandigarh to from the show, so we have to share the screen.
So just allow me because I've not got the presentation. Dineshji, I can see you on the screen. By the time I download the screen and the presentation for SportQuest, I request you to please prepare your presentation.
Hello. Yes, Archana ji.
मैं कह रही थी सर जब तक मैं
Yeah,
ये
yeah,
के लिए
I'm
डाउनलोड
ready.
करती हूँ. हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
I'm ready. Hold on, I'm sharing my screen.
No, I'm saying जब आपको मैं इनवाइट करूंगी उससे पहले आप कर लीजिएगा. By the time Sandesh can do it. Sandesh, over to you.
Yes, ma'am. So we have retail brand SportsQuest. So in this presentation, I'll cover what is SportsQuest, about the products line, about the stats and the business model also. Next slide, ma'am. Am I audible? Hello.
Yeah, you're audible, Sandesh. Carry on.
Yes. Yes. So SportsQuest is founded in 2015. So since 2015, it is one of the fastest growing sports wear brand in India. So after doing the great work in the B2B market and D2C e-commerce, so the next step for the SportsQuest is in the retail franchising, with the vision of providing the best in quality sportswear with the best design to the sports wear market of India. So we talk about the owners of SportsQuest. So we have Mr. Digvijay Singh Kathiwala and Mrs. Swati Singh Kathiwala. So both are the owners and both are related to the they are the directors of Kathiwala Private Limited and the co-founders and founders for the SportsQuest Limited. Next slide, ma'am. So vision of the brand is to provide in a quality sportswear with the more sustainable process with a zero waste offering. So our brand is moving strongly towards the same path of the sustainability with their own manufacturing unit. And their commitment towards the sustainability is to ensure the quality control, quick turnaround time, and recycling of all the excess, all the waste material. Next slide. So nextly for the brand is to carbon neutral company by the 2025 towards the sustainable manufacturing and all. So what sets apart the sportswear from other sportswear brands? So they got their own manufacturing unit which is Mumbai based, and they got their own designing in-house team. And for the designing, they ask the designing to the customers, and after that they prototype the design over their website, and after that they will do the final product on the designing part. And they are also offering customization and flexibility to the customers, so customers can share their ideas towards the designing and all, and they will do the production about the according to the demand. Next slide. So this is the logo of the SportsQuest, which stands for Quest for Infinity. So it is basically a sleeping S with a slightly Q. So it stands for SportsQuest, which is Infinity Quest for Infinity. Next slide. So these are the labels, swing tags, and packaging for the SportsQuest. So we have products for the SportsQuest. So in product line, we have activewears, fan jerseys, cotton basics, customized t-shirts, team wear, and they're offering the complete product line for men, women, and kids also. So this is a complete destination for a complete family. Next slide. So these are the product range: polo t-shirts, graphic t-shirts, workout basics, vest, shorts. They're also offering hoodies and jackets, which are the seasonal wears. And these are the fan jerseys, cotton basics, and customized t-shirt according to the demand of the customers. So these are the women tees, women vest, kids wear, women leggings, and all. So these are the basic design for the customization process, where you can choose a design and all. So these are the brands which Kathiwala Limited already as doing the manufacturing. So they are signed with the TMGA, which is Sachin Tendulkar's Sports Academy, MUWU, Red Bulls. They are also doing the manufacturing for Red Bull. They're also doing the Rajasthan Royals manufacturing IPL jersey. They're also doing the manufacturing for Backwater Century and CIS. They're also doing the same for the Bharat Army, which is the biggest Indian fan club, and also for the Radisson Blue hotels. So the brand is already associated in doing the work with one of the biggest brand of the India. Next slide. So we have stats. So by the stats of 2019, May 2019, sports. These are the SportsQuest already generate the revenue from their online website, which is sportsquest.com, and the revenue figures are 8.10 CR. This is only from the their website, not from the other online e-commerce website, which is Amazon, Azure, and anything. So they are offering a good, revenue over their website. So next slide. So in terms of sales and product stats, so average per order value per customer is around 15 and 50. And if we talk about the product range for the SportsQuest, it starts from 700 and up to 2000. So it includes all the product line, starting from the basic tees to the polo tees and joggers, shorts, and seasonal wears also. So the best category for the SportsQuest is cricket category. So the total sales terms is around 23% for the SportsQuest. And the highest grossing, highest pricing product for the SportsQuest is Mask Dry Fit, which values around 1900. Next slide. So if we talk about the customer stats, so they got around 41,000 of customers from their online website only, not from the other e-commerce sites. So out of which 21% of customers are repeated customers. So the reputation of customer is very good for the SportsQuest. And 76% of the customers are from India across 27,000 pin codes. They already service 27,000 pin codes in India. And the average new customer per month is around 1,700. So it is a good number for a growing sportswear brand in India. Next slide. So this is the business model. This is an Indian apparel retail market. So the Indian apparel retail market is growing very fastly. So as we can see, the apparel for the 2012 to 2017 to 2020, and these are the stats for the women, men line, and these stats are increasing rapidly for the Indian market according to the demographics. And after the organized retail is developing so aggressively in the Indian market, so the stats is also increasing rapidly for the Indian sportswear market also. Next slide. So this is the first digital brand. So they got a good online customer base. They got a good online website, and after that they are stepping towards the retail stores. So this is one of the first brand in India, in the Indian market. So they are entering from online to offline. Next slide. So this is basically the graph for the in terms of quality and price. If we compare to the to the existing sportswear brands, so SportsQuest stands a good number above Under Armour, Umaro, and Puma and Kappa. And this is a very good numbers and stats for a growing sportswear brand in Indian market. Next slide. So if we talk about the product mix strategy, so this is a complete destination, family destination. As I already told, they are covering the complete man line, woman line, and kids line also, where they're offering retail brands, polo, workout t-shirts, cotton basics, and everything. And they're also into seasonal products, which are joggers and jackets and all. And the specialty, or we talk about the USP of the brand is fan jerseys and customized t-shirts. And they're also offering impulsive buys like caps, wristband, and socks which also boosts the retail stores sale. Next slide. So a value proposition given by the sports brand to the investors. So investor got the B2C, which is basically the walk-in customer. Retail, which they get in the retail exclusive brand outlet. And O2O, this is the first brand which is offering O2O business, which is basically online to offline. So any lead generated over the sportsquest.com from the outlet area. So the offline store will fulfill the complete. Offline store will fulfill the complete demand over the online demand. And they're also offering business to institution. As investor, can get the orders from the organization or institutions, and they will complete the demand will be complete by the organization itself, and the investor got a good margin over it. Next slide. Yes, if we these are the opportunities defined by the brand. So they're offering their emerging market for is tier 2 cities, and they are also engaging for the North Indian market, which is Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida. And if you talk about the West market, this is Mumbai, Pune, and Ahmedabad. So they're more focused about the metro cities and tier 1 cities in the first phase of their expansion. Next slide. Exclusive brand outlet need 350 to 400 square feet of area, and project investment for this complete outlet is 20 lakh. For the bifurcation of this investment is they will receive the stock of 9 lakh, and store fit outs for 6 lakh, and franchise fee is 1 lakh, and signage for 1 lakh, and pre-opening expenses is around 2 lakhs, and the property deposit is 1 lakh. So the brand is also covering the complete marketing over the online and offline for the complete 5 years. And if we talk about the ROI, so annual sales in year 1 is around 75 lakhs. So which is typically annual stock turnover is 4 into 1. So we talk about the 15 lakh into 4 because the investor got the margin of 40% over the retail store. So they got the 60 lakhs annual sales, and if we add the online, it will add 1 lakhs annually for the first year. So these are the ideal partners, and go-to-market approach is this SportsQuest. Yes. So the property owners, young and so they are focusing on the property owners, multi-unit opportunity, and existing apparel retailers. They can they will be good for the brand as well, and young entrepreneur who are looking for the new setup in the retail market. Next slide. Yes, so these are the key support given by the brand. So they will provide the complete private supply to the franchisee owner, and they will do the complete marketing over the O2 business, social media campaigns, promotional schemes, or the offline market as well. And and they also do the new product development time to time, whether it is into seasonal products or according to the design or anything else. So they also do the license branding and merchandising. And if we talk about a great reason to partner with the SportsQuest. So this is one of the India's fastest growing sportswear brand. So it will be very beneficial for the investor as well. And the SportsQuest got the strength as the complete family sportswear concept, licensed brands and merchandising, and vertically integrated from manufacturing to retail. And the franchisee benefit will be multi-channel opportunities because they are offering B2C, O2O, and B2I. And SportsQuest unique proposition with customized design and footwear range. So sorry, sportswear range. So that's enough from my side, Archana. Okay. Thank you so much. Any questions, Archana?
Yeah. So we'll definitely having questions for you. Prashant, आप कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं? आपके queries होंगे, I am sure.
I just have to, I don't have queries, but I just have to kind of say thank you, Sandesh, for giving us the insight in terms of what Sports Quest does. And with this pandemic, I think a lot of investors and a lot of people have, moved in towards the sports vertical. I think it's a great opportunity
Yes.
for a lot of investors to kind of look at this brand seriously, because I see a huge difference between branded clothes and unbranded, and I think they are
Yes.
somewhere coming into the right segment where people who have the aspiration to wear good clothes, but they can't buy Adidas and Under Armours of the world, but they want to wear
Yes.
good clothes. I think that's the right segment, and that's the right industry. One must kind of look at getting this
Yes, sir.
franchisee. So that's all I
Yes.
have from my side, Ashna and Sandesh. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you so much, Sandesh, and drive
Thank
safely.
you so
Thank you
much,
so
Asna
much.
ma'am. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Prashant sir.
Take care. And the last brand and the last opportunity which we are bringing all for you is a Pizza 79. वो ब्रांड जो गुड़गांव, फरीदाबाद, दिल्ली, एनसीआर से आता है, बहुत ही important brand है हम सबके लिए. And we invite Mr. Dinesh, who's representing this brand. He already having experience of 15 years in marketing and sales, as you can see on a screen. And today today he is sharing his mission of Pizza 79. Thank you so much, Dinesh ji. Over to you.
Yeah, thank you, Archana. So it is about my brand, Pizza 79. Myself, Dinesh, and my wife, we both, we conceived this idea of this restaurant. And before starting this restaurant, I was into corporate. I have worked for around 15 years for Maruti, Hyundai, and Nissan. And thereafter, due to some health reasons, I planning to start my own business. So based on some research and data, I planned for a restaurant. And for starting a restaurant, I took consultation from a lot of sources, through some workshops, through some food consultants, and some machine manufacturers, food processing machine manufacturers. And after doing all these exercise, I reached to a conclusion that whatever business I would like to start, it should be a process-oriented business which can be controlled through the machines. Agenda was dependency on process and quality should remain on machines instead of manpower. So that's how we started this business. Right now, my brand is around 3.5 year old, and we are doing very good job in Faridabad. My outlet is in very high street kind of market. You will see the pictures in coming slide. This is kind of name and fame which we have earned so far. As you can see, this is our biggest achievement, that we got an award of Food Delivery Icons of Faridabad for Pizza 79. This award we received in January 2021. As you can see, another coverage in media, Food Delivery Heroes of Faridabad are serving safe food. In fact, during COVID, we did very good business. There was no, any major glitch in the business. Yes, dining was affected, but we did a lot of business through delivery. As you can see, this is my outlet pictures. This is the entry of the restaurant. It is on first floor. I'm having area of around 1400 square feet. This is another picture from front, as you can see. And these are the few pictures from inside. I have facility which can accommodate 50 peoples. This is my menu of my restaurant. As you can see, we have a lot of variety of pizza as well as side orders like garlic bread, plain stuff, wraps, as well as calzone, pasta, burger, dessert, sandwich, shakes, mocktail. We have, I mean, for fast food outlet, whatever should be inside a menu, we have all of these things. And this is about non-veg menu, side orders, as well as a lot of variety of pizza. Before COVID, we were doing a lot of birthday parties, Even right now, these days, again, birthday party business started once again. That was the agenda behind having a, a big facility, so that we can accommodate birthday parties as well as kitty parties in the daytime business. Usually daytime business for the restaurant remains very low, but if you have a concept of good sitting, then definitely you can accommodate birthday parties and kitty parties, and you can turn around your low business time into a handsome business opportunity. This is very interesting slide. As you can see, I'm on first floor, and on ground floor, only 2-3 shops away, there is Domino's, Pizza Hut, and KFC. So I'm on first floor doing very good business, competing and providing good stuff to the customers. That's why we are surviving and we are earning very good. These are the actual pictures of some food, pizza, burger. As you can see, pasta, calzone, salads, dessert items. And one more interesting thing, that almost every item which you are seeing, it is maximum based on process-based mechanism through machines. My dependency on manpower is only 10 to 15%. Rest of the 80 to 85% work has to be conducted through the machines only. As you can see in this slide, consistency plus quality equal to customer loyalty, because I don't think that customer is loyal to anyone unless you are not providing good stuff to the customer. As you can see in these pictures, these are the screenshots of Zomato. This customer, Mr. Akash, he has given us 96th order. So, I mean, this kind of consistency we have with our quality. That's why we are able to achieve this much, repetition by the customer. Another customer, Meenakshi ji, she have given us 84th order. So these numbers are, these are the kind of motivation which we, get through these orders, that we are doing good. And our mechanism and process is very, very good. In fact, I don't have any, competitive chefs, etc., etc. We have developed our system ourselves, and we believe on, again, I'm trusting on machines. So process is, you have to just follow the process. You have to give only 2 to 3 hours to the business, and business will run very good. As you can see, another some screenshots. 51st order given by Mr. Keshav, 41st order by Mr. Amit, again 24th order by Sly, 39th order by Sunil Sagar. We have a lot of customers like these who have given us repetitive orders. We have very good case study customers like this customer. This customer is ordering us 21st order, and every time he gives us 1-star rating. I don't know, because Zomato don't give opportunity to speak to their customers. They keep all the information. We receive only customer name only. We can't speak. So like another customer, Mr. S. Ahmed, he has ordered us 20th order. So this is the effect of, mechanism, process, and good selection of good rugged and competitive machines through which we are doing good in this business. This is slide about Google Map rating. As you can see, it is 4.4. Yes, there are a few negative ratings also. We cannot, 100%, we cannot satisfy all the customers, but yes, we are doing 80 to 90% customers are satisfied. That's why we are doing this much business. And this is Zomato rating. These days it is 4.2 now. It has increased. 4.2 rating for dining and delivery. As you can see in nearby, it's a platform through which people place order. It is 4.6 rating, Just Dial, 4.3 rating on Just Dial. So almost on all the platforms we have 4+1 rating. And this is about article which clearly mentioned that this is very recent article of 22nd August 21st. It says that pizzeria seems to be among the first to shrug off pandemic blues in the food service market. And yes, definitely, because I have gone through first wave and second wave, And yes, there was a dip in business, but not for a longer period. It was very marginal period, and we did good. In fact, we were doing very good during COVID. These days, dining is less, yes, still, but we are managing very handsome amount of business. So it is about commercials. Like we have two format: quick serving restaurant, 500 to 700 square feet area, and another format is in which I am doing business, like dining format, in which you have area of around 1300 to 1500 square feet. In both the format, agreement will remain 5 years, and payback period of your investment will vary from 1.4 years to 1.6 years. For QSR format, you have to invest 23 lakh rupees, and for dining format, around 30 to 32 lakh rupees you have to invest. Our royalty will remain 4%, and in this, both the investment in QSR and dine-in, 11 lakh is the flat investment for both the business format in kitchen, because we use very you can say imported kitchen equipments which give you consistency, and they are very rugged, by which you can rely on the entire your process is related with these machines only. If I talk about margin, yes, handsome margin is there, 75 to 80%. Even in few items it is more than that. And if you talk about net margin, as per my restaurant calculation, it is 20 to 22%. I would like to say one more thing here, that we are sitting in an area where if I talk about the habitated area around my restaurant, we are serving only 40%, 60% is green area so far now. So even after that, we are doing good numbers. So whatever numbers, we are doing around 7 lakh rupees business per month. So definitely, if you sit in a congested area or in a kind of area where almost 70 to 80% habitation is there, so definitely you can do wonders. These kind of supports you will get from us. Entire setup can be done through us. It is optional whether you want to go along. We will provide you all the vendors number in case you want to get it done through us. Definitely we are there. Manpower training will remain. One more thing in this manpower training, we don't require any experienced person. We need a person only who can read and write. That much capability we look after for a person to whom we can make a chef in 7-day challenge. In 7 days, he can make all the entire food which you can leave than cake only. You was watching in this presentation. Manpower deputation will remain from our side for 1 month, just to bring confidence in that outlet, as well as so that he can set up all the process at your outlet. R&D of new product and range offering. Yes, we do a lot of R&D at our home. My wife is very expert in making food, so we do a lot of changes in our recipe also. So definitely that R&D facility which we do on our products, that you will get through as a support. And bullseye marketing strategy and support, because we have done and we have tried a lot of strategy how we can increase the sale. So we know where to invest exactly, and you will get optimal result by spending less. And this is about the last slide. Success is a process, not an event. Yes, a person like me who was not even expert in making tea, I have confidence I can make any recipe of my menu. That is just based because we opted a process-based food mechanism. That's it. I want to say. Yeah, Archana, up to you.
Thank you so much, Dineshji. Prashant, you have any query for him?
No, I don't have any query. I have just a compliment, Dineshji. Congratulations, and a huge compliment in terms of making your concept into reality. I think a lot of entrepreneurs, struggle in between in making their concept into reality. So congratulations in making your thought, your concept into reality. And the only question that I have for you is the expansion that you're looking all India or just Delhi and NCR?
No, right now I'm focused on in Delhi NCR and not far away, 200 or 250 kilometers away from my location, because initial whoever will invest in our brand, that will remain a challenge for us also. So if we make him very successful model, only then I can succeed in future. So that's why we would like to invite only Delhi NCR and like Jaipur, you can say
Jaipur, it could be Dehradun, it could be
Yeah,
it could be around 250 kilometers.
Yes,
Chandigarh and all. Okay.
right. Sir.
And also I have one question from you, Dineshji. Why pizza? What is it? What is the reason behind 79?
Actually, my boss was a Korean, and in Australia, when he was deputed, he invented this I series. These days, you can say I10, I20, I30. This
right.
So I took a suggestion from him that what should be the brand name. So he suggested me put a number. It could be any number. It could be a lucky number for you. So number recall remains very, and for anyone, if you add a number, then it can be recalled very easily, that brand name. So that was otherwise there are no other logic than this.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much for giving us that logic. And I second you in terms of, what you're saying in terms of remembering a brand, and especially with a number will definitely help a lot of investors, a lot of customers. Yeah. So thank you so much, Dineshji. Archana, thank you so much. And I'm over to you.
Thank you so much, Prashant. Thank you so much, Dinesh. That was the last opportunity we wanted to present to all of you. So before we close, any last comment, word from your side, Prashant?
So thank you, Archana, and thank you all the brands and the investors who have joined us today. I think it was a fruitful 1.5, I would rather almost like 2 hours. It was a great learning in terms of 2 hours, and also understanding the profitability and the USPs that the brand had to present. However, as I said, don't restrict to the investors. Don't restrict yourself only to these 6 brands. While these 6 brands are premium to Delhi and NCR, they are profitable. They have their own USP. As an organization, Franchisee India, we have about 5,000 brands who are under our umbrella. You must connect with us with our website or with our hotline number, and we will be more than happy to help you. We will have a key account manager who will be able to guide you in terms of your requirement, in terms of your specific question, answers, so queries that you have. So that's all I have to say. Archana, over to you now. Thank you.
So thank you so much, Prashant. Thank you so much, all the brands participants. Thank you, Preeti, for joining in today. Have a great day. Thank you so much.
Thank you.